Hey, just a quick channel update. I'll be pushing new content sometime next week. Also, I'm going to be focusing on releasing shorter videos more often while I work on some of the bigger projects. Some channel content that will be coming will be product unboxings and reviews, and smaller projects that I think will be more informative and acceptable to a wider audience. Of course, I'll continue to release videos related to the assembly of the CNC machine. That's not going to change. I just received a shipment of parts in aluminum, ready to build and mount the Z-axis. Anyway, stay tuned for more. If you haven't already, please subscribe and stay up to date to the latest content. Take care.